Hey there, tech enthusiast. Welcome back to my channel. Today I've got a quick and handy tutorial for you on how to type the Apple logo on your Mac. Let's dive right in. First up, let's talk about how to type the Apple logo on a Mac. It's a simple, very simple step. All you need to do is press the option, this one, plus shift upward arrow plus key K. And just like that, you can use the Apple logo in your documents, emails, or wherever you need it. Just use this option plus a shift upward arrow plus key. And that's it. This is how you can use Apple logo on your Mac. Thanks for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more tech tips, and let me know in the comments if there's anything else you'd like to learn. See you next time.